Okay, so now we know how to get our coordinates of our character, but let's say we want to do something else, like control where our character goes. So what we can do is we can add in some code here. And so if we go and keep our location code that we've already been doing going, and we just add a few more lines, and we type in time, this sleep for 2 seconds, this kind of gives us a pause here. And then if we type in this right here, this MC post a chat, and then our string, get ready to fall from the sky, don't look down. You can type in whatever you want. And then if we add another timer of 5 seconds, this is just going to allow us to actually like see things happen. And then we check this out. We add this code here, MC player. We're going to set the position now. Where before we were just getting the position, now we're going to set the position. We're going to set our character at position X, like it's been, our position Y, but we're going to add 60. So we're adding 60 meter blocks of our Minecraft blocks. We're going to go up 60, and we're going to keep our Z coordinates the same. So we're not going to mess with those two right now. Check this out of what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and run this, and you can watch over here on the screen. Watch what happens here to our character. So it's going to pop up here. It's going to tell us where I'm at. Get ready to fall from the sky. Don't look down. I'm going to look down and watch what happens. Boom. It shoots us up and then blah, splats us right down. So we'll run that one more time here. So what's happening in the code, it's going to post where we're at our coordinates. Then it's going to do that text thing after 2 seconds later. Get ready to fall from the sky. Then 5 seconds later, it's going to set us up to that position of 60 blocks up. And then it's going to drop us down. So now we can control where our characters are going. And so I want you to play around with this code and just see what happens. What happens when you add or subtract to the X or the Z. Now in Minecraft Pi, you can't go above 127 on the X and Z coordinates. And so keep that in mind when you're doing your work. Alright guys, have some exploration. If you do anything, shoot me some videos. Let me see what it is you're creating. And let's jump in to the next level of learning.